test tube contains one hexane and another two hexane. Which of the following would you add to each of the two test tubes to distinguish between one hexane and two hexane? One hexane and two hexane are alkynes. Before moving forward, we will draw the structures of these two alkynes. First, we will draw the structure of one hexane. Hex means there are 6 carbon atoms in the structure. This is an alkyne. One hexane means there is a triple bond between first and the second carbon atoms. Now we can complete the structure. Now we will draw the structure of two hexane. Again, hex means there are 6 carbon atoms in the structure. This is also an alkyne. 2-hexane means there is a triple bond between second and third carbon atoms. Now we can complete the structure. We need to distinguish between these two alkynes. For that, we need to find a difference in their structure. Both 1-hexane and 2-hexane are alkynes with the same number of carbon atoms. The difference is 1-hexane is a terminal alkyne, whereas 2-hexane is not a terminal alkyne. Alkynes with hydrogen atoms directly bonded to the sp hybridized carbon atoms or one of these triple bonded carbon atoms are known as terminal alkynes. We have identification tests to distinguish between terminal alkynes from the other alkynes. For that, we can use either ammoniacal silver nitrate or ammoniacal copper 1 chloride. Ammoniacal copper 1 chloride gives a reddish brown precipitate with terminal alkynes. But this doesn't give any precipitate with other alkynes. Ammoniacal silver nitrate gives a white precipitate with terminal alkynes, but it doesn't give any precipitate with other alkynes. Now we will check the answers. Both alkynes give ketones when reacted with dilute sulfuric acid and mercury sulfate. Both alkynes react with bromine CCl4 and decolorizes the bromine solution. When alkaline KMnO4 was added, both alkynes oxidizes, therefore they give the same color change. When ammoniacal silver nitrate was added, only 1-hexane gives a white color precipitate, while 2-hexane does not give any precipitate. Therefore, you can distinguish between 1-hexane and 2-hexane by using ammoniacal silver nitrate. The answer is number 4.